Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best SATA cable is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in any PC build, acting as the vital link that allows your storage devices, like SSDs and HDDs, to communicate with your motherboard, and today we're diving deep into what makes a SATA cable truly great, ensuring your data transfer speeds are maximized and your system runs smoothly and reliably. Number 5. BENFEI SATA Cable 3-pack. Experience lightning-fast data transfers with our latest SATA 3 technology. It offers speeds up to 6 gigabits per second, twice as fast as previous generations. Our cables feature a secure locking latch on each end. This ensures a stable and reliable connection for all your important files. This cable is designed for connecting internal SATA hard drives and DVD drives. It's perfect for upgrading your computer's storage capacity. It works seamlessly with older SATA I and SATA 2 equipment. Just remember that the speed will be limited by your connected devices. Please note that this cable is for data transfer only. Your hard drive will need to be powered separately. We stand by our product with an 18-month warranty. You'll also receive lifetime-friendly customer service for any assistance you may need. What we like. This offers a reliable and fast connection for your storage devices. If you need a dependable data transfer solution with a good warranty, this is a solid choice. Its secure connection ensures peace of mind during operation. What people say. The cable is a good length and fits snugly. It works perfectly for connecting my SSD. The braided cable feels durable and well made. Number 4. Sabrent SATA 3 6 Gb SData Cable, 3-pack. Experience a secure and reliable connection with our SATA 3 data cable. It features straight connectors with a metal locking latch for added stability. This cable is designed to connect your internal hard drives, SSDs, and optical drives to your motherboard or host controller. Enjoy data transfer speeds of up to 6 Gbps, ensuring quick and efficient performance for all your storage devices. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including 2.5-inch SSDs, 3.5 HDDs, and optical drives, making it a versatile choice. Please note that this is a data cable only and does not provide power. Your drive will need to be powered separately. What we like. This provides high-speed data transfer with a secure connection. If you're looking for slightly longer cables for better reach in your build, this pack is ideal. The locking latch ensures your drives stay connected. What people say. Works flawlessly. Added a 2.5 SSD to my computer. The locking latch works well and it is easy to remove the connection. This 20-inch or so SATA right-angle cable works great for my mini-size case. I need them because my new NVIDIA video card is sitting on top of SATA ports on motherboard. The blue color give it a little spice for appearance with all other cables being black. I have those 3 cables connected to 2 SSD and a DVD drive with no issue. These cables appear to be constructed using quality materials and craftsmanship was excellent. The cable material is a bit stiff, so it could present a problem if you need to work the cable into a tight spot. The 3 cables in the box I received were 19.5 inches. The description states the length is approximately 20 inches, so technically the description is correct if you round up to the nearest inch. 19.5 inches was plenty for my application, but if you need the full 20 inches these cables will not work for you. Number 3. CableCreation 8-inch SATA 3 cable, 2-pack. Experience lightning-fast data transfer speeds with our latest SATA 3 technology. It supports up to 6 gigabits per second, ensuring quick and efficient performance for your storage devices. This cable is designed for seamless connectivity with your motherboards and host controllers. It works perfectly with internal serial ATA hard drives and DVD drives. Featuring a clever 90-degree right-angle design, it's perfect for tight spaces. This allows for better cable management and a cleaner build. Each end of the cable has a locking latch. This ensures a secure connection, preventing accidental disconnections and data loss. You'll receive 2 8-inch SATA 3 cables in this package. We also offer 24 months of replacement and dedicated technical support for your peace of mind. What we like. This features a unique downward right-angle design for easier cable management in tight spaces. If you have a compact PC case or a complex build where space is limited, this will make installation much simpler. It also boasts a longer warranty period. What people say. I like these cables because the ends are fitted with metal clips that hold them firmly in the slots on the motherboard and the hard drive. I like the red color as I can easily identify them in the future inside of the enclosure without having to run my fingers along a bunch of wires to trace things. Appreciate the 90-degree on one end. Worked in a very tight place for my new internal DVD drive. Number 2. Sabrent 3.5 to 2x 2.5 internal drive mounting kit. Easily convert your computer's 3.5-inch internal drive bay. This kit allows you to install up to two 2.5-inch SSDs or hard drives. Everything you need is included for a seamless setup. We provide SATA and power cables, along with a screw pack for secure mounting. This mounting kit is designed for universal compatibility. It works with all 2.5-inch drives, including high-speed SSDs. Get your new drives installed in minutes. The installation process is designed to be quick and straightforward, even for beginners. Upgrade your system's storage capacity effortlessly. It's the perfect solution for adding more space for your operating system, games, or media files. This adapter is specifically made to fit into standard 3.5-inch internal drive bays. Enjoy enhanced storage capabilities within your existing setup. What we like. This is a complete solution for adding multiple drives to your system. If you're looking to install both SSDs and HDDs and need all the necessary cables and mounting hardware, this kit simplifies the process significantly. It's perfect for expanding storage capacity easily. What people say. The cable is well made and fits snugly into the SATA ports. It provides a stable connection for data transfer. The length of the cable is adequate for most PC builds. Number 1. Cable Matters 3-pack 90-degree SATA cable. Experience blazing fast data transfer speeds up to 6 gigabits/s. This ensures your SSD and HDD perform at their best for quick boot-ups and game loading. The 90-degree connector fits perfectly in tight spaces, while the locking latch ensures a secure and stable connection for your drives. Its flexible, low-profile design aids in efficient cable management and airflow within your PC. We've even included reusable ties to keep your build tidy. This convenient 3-pack offers excellent value, providing you with spare or replacement cables for multiple installations or upgrades. It works seamlessly with a wide range of SATA-equipped devices, including SSDs, HDDs, and optical drives. It's also backward compatible with older SATA versions. What we like. This offers a flexible and space-saving right-angle connection for your drives. If you're building a gaming PC or a system where neat cable management and airflow are important, these cables are excellent. The 3-pack provides great value for multiple installations. What people say. The connectors fit securely, the right-angle ends are well molded, and the cables feel durable without being stiff or hard to work with. The locking connectors seat firmly, and the right-angle design is ideal for tight spaces around drives and motherboard ports. The 90-degree design made a noticeable difference in cable management. They allow the cables to route cleanly around other components without straining the connectors or blocking airflow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.